Alright, I'm running a C Open on a Saturday morning. We will see if we can't win this. I was fastest by 3/10 qualifying. Just not sure how tire wear is on this setup. I could go out and burn them up and get past in 20 laps, I don't know. Haven't had enough laps on this week because it's been a weird week for iRacing. It's been hard to get official races in a lot of the open classes. I'm not sure what's been going on, and when we do, they're small fields like this one. I think there's 9 in here. But the unofficial, or not unofficial, but the fixed races seem to fill up, and then iRacing splits them. Weird. We had it wasn't open. We had an open B that had 14 people in practice, and they split it 7 and 7, which was really strange. I don't know what they're doing. But either way, we're going to try to make this one work out. I want to finish this with no incidents and no damage. That's the same thing.
Good luck, gentlemen.
Yeah, it's early for me. No incidents and
Same
roll
here,
here.
man.
Let's finish P1.
Pace cars off. Be ready. Be ready. Green flag. 27.619.
Obviously, I'm a little quicker than these guys, so I'm going to try not to just burn my tires off here. I can run low 23s, but I think if I run 24s, I'm probably fine.
23.359.
I'll probably get out a gap on them and then let up. Sometimes changing your line too much will cause you problems. And this setup likes to hook the bottom and have a lot of gas in it. Otherwise, if you don't give it enough gas, you can end up on the apron and spinning out. So
23.485.
I have a bad feeling strength of field is extremely low in this race. Getting closer, 23.8. Looks like Andrew back there has a little bit of speed.
23.74. Outside, clear high.
Thank you, sir.
No problem, Brent.
23.631.
Take the inside, Andrew.
On the back.
Caution out. There better be some real fucking problem out there to throw the damn caution. Okay, road is closed. You're gonna be lining up behind the 7. Gonna line up behind the pace car. Pit road is open.
Damn, guys, you know what the speed limit is?
Start looking for your sign. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop on the sign.
Line up behind at 7.
I don't know why this dude did not take tires, but 13 laps on tires here is an eternity. He's going to be slow. I just hope he doesn't screw me up enough to let the truck behind him mess with me. Really like to clear him before we're exiting 2. I've got a bad feeling he's going to slide up. But his name's the Iceman, so who knows? It can't be a real name.
We're on 1 to go. 1 minute 10.741. Start thinking about this restart a little bit. We will be on the outside.
Guys, be careful up here. The 7 did not pit, so we got old tires at the front, okay?
All right, big girl. Let's keep going the right direction. 10-4. Line up behind at 1. Base car's off. You ready? Green flag. Shot, bud. Go get him. 1. outside. Clear, clear. 25.569 outside. Still there, quarter, clear. All right, man, we got an opportunity here. Let's take advantage of it now.
Well, that crumpled my fender. That was my fault. I restarted, sir.
Talking about, man, you're looking good today.
Like it was before the fender, but it's not horrible. I think it's pushing a little more.
23.586.
And try to make sure the tires don't get burned up. They look pretty even on the last run, but if we go green, I'm probably going to go to the end on these tires. So.
24.099. Outside, 23.659, clear high.
Thank you.
Working the outside. Clear.
Thank you.
23.928. Earl, guide him through there, brother. 23.807. Outside. Clear, clear, clear.
Thank you.
Felt like I had any choice. You're welcome.
23.82.
Share that set at the end of the race there, Brent.
I would, but it's a team setup, and I'd probably get shot at.
24.125.
this is an open setup.
You're on the way.
Yeah, I think this is actually, I'm trying to remember what I built this off of, but I think it was a Dover setup that was actually on Setup Sync originally, so you might find a pretty good Dover setup out there and try it here.
Halfway.
It's got a lot of tweaking in it though.
24.243.
Where did you say set up scene?
Set it.
Yes. Yeah, Setup Sync. And just with these trucks though, if you find something that works good somewhere, you can kind of take it to other places. They like a whole lot of right rear spring and not hardly any left rear. And you can mess with the track bars to get it back where you want it.
Okay, thanks.
.198.
you guys go check on the forums. I don't know how good they are, but there's a guy over there in the truck part of the forums that's been posting some setups for Open, and my team actually was thinking about doing the same thing, getting some decent, stable setups, not our team setups, but something competitive out there just to try to get the Open Series more participation. Surprised we're still running in the 23s after, what, 35 laps? That's a little more impressive than I assumed for this setup.
9.4.
And busting out a 23.8. Hell, I was going to run 24s to begin with. I don't think I need to worry about it too much. My closest competition back there is a little ways back. Not that he can't catch me. Hell, if the tire, all it takes one good slip out of the corner and he'll be pulling in, and once you do that, the tires get crazy and it takes a couple laps for it to get back. I can tell the tires are definitely not happy though. I'd be curious to see what the tire temps are right now if it'll let me. We got plenty of fuel, so
24.309.
we are
20
good
laps
to go.
to go.
20 to go. I wouldn't mind seeing if I could catch that next guy. It's on the lead lap, just for grins. I'm not sadistic or anything, but I've never lapped the entire field before. Unless he has trouble.
24.2.
Yeah, gathered up. I'm not going to run you over.
Stand right next to him, bud. Already told him twice.
Take it high.
Thank you. Yeah, I saw you scraping the wall there. Sometimes they get stuck on the wall and it's a pain in the butt, especially when you see someone coming.
.4. 24.283. 24.221. 24.27.
I got several of them still in the lead lap.
.297. Clear.
That's what fresh tires will do.
25.3. .595. And we go. Keep going, I'm gonna let you go. Outside, outside. He knows you're coming. Clear, clear. .64.62. .513. Car is a lap down ahead of us. 24.236. .511. 5 laps. Outside. Clear high. .24.88. iRacing, bud. Already told him twice. .647 outside. Should be 2 more laps. Clear.
Getting awfully sketchy. Ease into the throttle.
24.812. Coming to the white flag this time. Good job, man. Guys, cover up your fuel cans, cover everything up, cover up the tires, go.
I don't get to do burnouts very often. That's it. That was Rockingham with worn out tires. Oh, let's see how the tire wear was. That last run. Pretty even. I was pushing a little bit, but not too bad. All right. Thanks for tuning in.